Tajmotormedics. I've got an Audi A6 here on a 2012-2013 plate. Just replacing the headlight bulb on this one. As you can see, the color of it is changed to orange. So that means I think it's the HID bulb, or the D3S bulb anyway. You should find that in the description for the link for it. But if you look on the other side, it's pretty good. Now if you look at the wall behind you, I'll just turn the camera angle. As you can see now, the color on the left hand side is a lot orange, and then the one on the right hand side is a pretty good color. So we're going to show you how to replace basically the light bulb. Now can you turn the car off, ignition off, lights off? That's brilliant. Now to do this, it is the most awkward one. If you come around here, now we need to remove this cover right there. Now to remove it, there's a screw here, you've got a cover there, and there's a screw right on the inside as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the cover first. I've already undone the cover, which is on this side. I've taken the screw off from the top right there. So I've taken that screw off. What I do, I lift it, take the cover out. On the inside, let me just get the camera because this is in one of the worst angles. So what I've done is, I've turned the steering wheel to the right, but as you can see, that screw right there, we need to take that screw out, and there's one on the other side which needs to come out as well. Now this one you can do it from here, but the other side you have to do it from the inside. So what I'll do first, take the camera back out. If you just go and point out from the inside there. And the tool that you need is a T20. It's a Torx bit right here, so that's what you need. It's a T20 Torx. I've already unscrewed it, so making it easy for myself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can get this, pull this back a little bit, slot the Torx in there, and then undo it. Once I've undone it enough, I don't want to really lose the screw, so pull this back and then take the screw out, as you can see right there. Now the inside one, I had to use a ratchet, which is a small ratchet I used right there. So I'll put it in an angle, socket on there, put it in an angle, and then onto the screw, which is right on the inside. Push the plastic back a little bit and then undo it. So that's done, it's nice and loose. So I'm going to just put the Torx bit on there on its own. I know you may not be able to see all of it, but that's out now. So that's the screw right there. Once this comes out, put the screw on the side. Now this one here, you need to lift it back and then down. So you've got take the cover out. So you've got a lug here, you've got a lug there, which slots in on the light itself, which is right here in there, and then there's one just under the wing. Now if you come back around here, like I said, it's a D3S bulb. Sorry about this whole thing. So I'm going to put the camera back in here again. As you can see, that's the bulb right there. It's a D3S bulb. Now what I need to do is I need to unplug it first, which is this one here. So I'm trying to get the camera in there at the same time and wiggle. That's out. Once the plug is out, I then get from the top, get my hand in there, twist that to my left, right? So it's like this. You got to twist it that way, and then you take the whole thing out. Once you take that out, so we now work on the floor. So basically this is the bulb we're replacing. It is a where is the part number on this? So it's a D3S bulb right there, which you can find in the description. So I'm going to get the other one out. Now customer supplied me with this bulb. I'm not even sure if it's a new one or not, because I could see some marks on the light bulb itself. So what I do, I set them on the floor like this. That's how it should be. I then push this in and then take this plastic cover out, as you can see there. That's nicely out. I then remove it. Now just remember how you remove it, that's how it needs to go back in again. So there, nope, I was wrong. So it's just right here, clipped in, and then push in. That's all it was. So what we're going to do is put this back in now. Get the camera angle right. It's in there. Yeah, that's brilliant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slot the bulb in an angle like this, if you remember what I did, and then twist it to my right. I need to make sure the D3S bulb is sitting straight. So that's in now. So I'm going to get the plug. That's dropped in, and now I'm going to try to plug it in. Thing is here, I'm trying to record at the same time. So that's in now. So I push the plug in. That's it. So it's secure. That's all secure. What we're going to now do is check, see if it's working. Now if you could just switch the car on, please. Lights on. That's perfect. Now we just gotta wait for a couple of minutes just to make sure it doesn't die out if it's an old bulb. If it's a new one, I wouldn't worry about it at all. But you could see the color of it. It's so much better now. If you look onto the wall as well, see right there, and then the driver's side one as well, it's pretty much brilliant now. That's all it is. Right, that was it. I'm going to put the cover back on again. It's not a difficult job. So you slot it in this way and then push it up in an angle, push it back down, put the screws in. I'm sure you'll be able to do this anyway, but otherwise I'll be wasting a lot more time just showing you how to put the cover on. But yeah, the main thing was the bulb. We've got that done. Mission accomplished on that one, and hope you find this video useful and get your bulb replaced as well. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.